Hey guys, it's Jeff.
And TJ.
And welcome back to another skating tutorial video at Local.
Today, we're going to be talking about spins. Yeah, baby.
Alright guys, so there's two spins that we're going to be teaching you guys today. And like the first one, or I would say both spins that we're going to be learning today is more of an intermediate move. I wouldn't say any beginner should really learn how to spin. You should probably just learn how to skate first. But once you get to that intermediate stage when you feel really comfortable on skates, we can start learning spins. And the first spin we're going to learn today is the heel toe spin, which I would find more easy to keep balance. I mean, it's in the description. CJ will show you. One foot would be going on the heel and one foot would be going on the toe. And to create momentum when you go to spin, we're going to have our arms crossed from this side, from the right. Or do you go to the left side?
I go this way.
Honestly, either way, you can spin either way. That's more comfortable towards you. But for us, we go from like the right side. So I have my arms out here as I, obviously, at your toe heel. And as I throw my arms this way, I like rotate on those two front and back wheels.
Yeah, once you start spinning, you bring your feet in and it'll like make you spin faster. That's how you catch all of your momentum.
Correct.
So, out, like this. I'll go this way. Wait, no, I'll go this way.
Yeah.
Out, arms this way, spin, bring your feet in.
And you can have your arms out, you can have your arms in. I mean, like, if you want to begin and just keep the balance, just get the balance down, you could just have your arms out the whole time.
Keep in mind though, once you do bring your arms in, same with your feet, you are going to speed up a lot.
Yeah, it's like sitting up in a water slide instead of laying down in the water slide.
Yeah.
Science. But the other spin that we're going to be talking about today is going to be on our toes. I would say that's a little bit more difficult.
You're definitely going to want to practice being on your toes just normally.
Yeah.
Being able to balance.
On your toes. I mean, you can rotate yourself like that if you want to. I mean, if you get, better at doing it. But I would say with this one, I don't necessarily start on my toes. I think it's more or less I start flat-footed. And then I still have my arms out like this. And as I'm rotating this way, this foot actually falls behind me like this as I hop with both toes. But because my arms are swinging in that direction, it helps my momentum and then, like I said, as I bring my arms in or I leave them out, will dictate how fast I go.
Yeah, it's basically the same mechanics once you start spinning.
If you can balance pretty good on this, you could rotate on them, but I would say that's a little bit more hard than actually start on your flat feet.
So first, toes out like this, up, spin. You can have your arms out, or if you bring your feet and your arms in, you'll spin a lot faster.
A lot faster. A lot faster.
Wow, okay. You want to take this one?
Yeah, so as TJ's dying.
Sorry.
But I mean, other than those two spins, I mean, those are the two that I would start off with. Maybe we'll do like a 360 in the air tutorial. That's an advanced maneuver, I would say, but stay tuned for a video like that. Or if you have any other skating tutorial ideas, you can drop it in the comments.
Let us know.
Let us know. Make sure you like this video, share it, hit the bell,
subscribe,
post notifications, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And like I said, if you have any ideas or just want to see some shuffle routines, we can do something like that. We just want to get the basic
moves out of the way.
Basic moves out of the way first. But thank you for coming back and watching another video of us. My name is Jeff.
My name's TJ.
And we're out.
See you.